white and strong and cold. I swim the ocean far and wide with my family by my side. I'm an orca. I live in the ocean blue. I jump and splash, I hunt and play. With my pod I roam all day. I've got teeth, a mighty grin, to catch some fish or penguin. Seals and squid, I love to munch. Sometimes I work in teams for lunch. From icy poles to warmer seas, I travel far with ocean breeze. No place is too far to go. I ride the currents fast and slow. I'm an orca, smart and strong and speedy too. Top of the sea's food chain I stay, but I still love to laugh and play. So wave hello if you spot me, the panda of the deep blue sea. I'm not a whale, I'm dolphin kin, the mighty orca with a friendly fin.